All right, so I just got off the bus, and you guys hear the sirens already. Just got off the bus. The sirens in front while I was on the bus, and the bus, you know, there was a police vehicle going whoop, whoop. And the minute I stepped off from the bus at my stop, okay, you hear the police. Yep, see one just rolled by. One just rolled by. See another one just rolled by with the lights flashing this time. Okay. There they go up there. Yep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now the noise is down this way. Uh-oh. Ambulance now going down. Anyhow. Yep. So, like I said, I'm going to continue to always expose them. You know, as TIs, if we're going to expose them, we got to do it. You got to be dedicated. Okay, to expose the corruption with a bunch of evil bastards. That's all. And they think they can get away on doing this to anybody. Well, like I said, not on my watch. All right.